Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever decide to stop using eToro, or you just want to remove your profile completely, the platform allows you to close your account through a simple process. First, log into your eToro account and head over to your settings page. Once you're inside the settings area, look for the section labeled Account. This is where all your personal profile and account level controls are located. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you'll find an option that says Close your eToro account. Click on it, and the system will ask you to confirm that you truly want to delete the account. eToro will also ask you to select a reason for closing it, whether it's because you're no longer trading, switching platforms, or had an issue with the service. Choose the reason that applies to you, and then click on Continue to proceed after confirming. The platform will begin the account closure process. Make sure you've withdrawn any remaining funds and closed all active positions beforehand, because your account needs to be fully settled before deletion can be completed. Once everything is cleared and you've submitted the request, your eToro account will be closed and you won't be able to access it again. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more simple tutorials just like this one.